Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to color an apple with watercolor. At first I'm putting red color. This part will be the highlight part. That's why I am putting mark on it that this part will be the highlight part. If you want, then you can do it later too. I'm putting Scarlet Lake red color. After putting the red color, I will apply lemon yellow color. I am almost done applying the red color. It's done. Now I am applying lemon yellow color. Apply it properly. Now I am using sap green color. Now I am using Viridian green color. Mix that color properly with water. Now I'm doing the outline with the black gel pen. When you do the outline, please make sure that your paper is dried up, dried properly, or else the black gel pen will spread. You can use black color too to outline. It's done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Bye.